So if you just happen to stumble upon this video, you're definitely in for a treat, guys, because today I'm going to be showing you how to get affiliate marketing and internet marketing courses and training for absolutely free, guys. So why am I doing this? Mainly because I'm a nice guy, but secondly, guys, I really want to help you out. So virtually any topic that you want to learn about in regards to internet marketing and affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you how you can access these courses and training for absolutely free. So if this is the first time you come to my channel, my name is John from johnmcneil.com, and I teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel. Click that little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you are notified every time I release a new video. So instead of me babbling on here, guys, I think you want to learn how you can get all this information for absolutely free. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and start right now. What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com, and we're here at a website called Udemy.com, and that's Udemy. And basically, this site is a digital marketing website where a lot of people will place courses on this website, right? So they create courses and they charge people to access these courses. So you can basically find courses on everything here. You know, how to sell affiliate marketing products, you know, cryptocurrencies, Facebook ad copy, how to generate leads, and people create these courses and they sell them online. So, but what I'm going to show you guys is how you can actually get a lot of these courses for free. And all you have to do is basically go up in here to the search bar and type whatever the topic that you're interested in, and then put in like free course behind it. So if I wanted to learn how to do Facebook ads, I could type in something like Facebook ads course free, and actually just kind of pulls up, and then it'll actually pull up like some courses from Facebook, and you can see that these courses say $11.99, so that doesn't mean that they're free. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to sort, and you're going to go to the price that says lowest to highest, click that, and then you'll actually see a bunch of free courses come up. So as you scroll through here, you can actually see this course here, Introduction to Advanced Facebook Advertising. Discover the 5-step guide to creating successful Facebook ads that experts use in 2016. Facebook ads for Shopify, Facebook marketing, how to crush it on Facebook, and on and on and on. And these courses are free. Right. So a lot of these individuals on this site, they are creating these courses, and a lot of times they'll put them online for free because they're trying to generate leads and sell to you on the back end. But you can actually just go in here and you can click on any one of these courses that has free, and you basically just put in your name and email address, and then you can access the courses absolutely free. So we're going to look at one more, guys. So let's say we want to learn how to do blogging. So let's type in blogging course for free. So right here it says free course for blogging, free course on blogging. So let's just click that one. Okay, of course we got to come over here, hit sort, and then hit load to high. And then of course we have our courses that come up that says guest blogging your way to ultimate visibility and traffic, how to start a WordPress blog in under 30 minutes, 10 free blogging tools you'll make your blog better. All this stuff is free, guys. I mean, think about all the information and things that you can learn to help improve your internet marketing business, and you can access this stuff all for free, and it's on this website. So that's Udemy.com. So one more I'm going to show you is it's actually the WarriorPlus, and you guys are probably going to be pretty surprised because this is a huge marketplace for the make money online internet marketing niche. So initially, how these products are sorted, they're sorted by like the gravity, so to speak, or the sales, and they have like popularity and all that kind of stuff. But what you're going to want to do is you want to come to the marketplace, click on offers up here, and then you want to sort by conversion rate. So you can actually want to click on conversion rate here at the top, and then it's going to basically sort by the best conversion rate. So as you can see here, you're going to see some products here that like converting at like 96% and 88%, which is kind of like unheard of. But it's because the vendors or the product owners have given away these products for free. And you can actually see here on the product vendor side, it's saying, you know, free, how to auto blog and get traffic for free, profitable 2018 content, how to increase your affiliate commissions. I mean, and it goes on and on and on and on. And you can learn all of this information. You can go in here, put in your name and email address, and get all of these courses for absolutely free. 7 ways to make money online today. You know, you name it, you'll probably find it in here. But all you have to do is just, you know, come in here and click on the conversion rate tab. And then, you know, you'll start seeing like these products that are free. So again, you have the WarriorPlus. You can get free information on products. So you can go in there and basically just learn things that's going to help your business out. You also can go over to Udemy.com and do that little strategy where you can get the free courses. This is just a great way to help you build your business. This is a great way to learn about just different methods to make money. And then you can take this content, you can package it, you can reteach it. You can learn something and do a video on it and give it away as a lead magnet. There's no lack of information at all. So there's no reason for why you can't, you know, take some time and go through these courses and learn what you need to learn to help improve your business. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed that little tidbit. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment below. Let me know what you're going to be learning when you go through these websites. And if you want to learn more about how I do affiliate marketing from A to Z, I do have a free guide that you can get at johnmcneil.com. That link will be in the description. So that's basically it, guys. I want you guys to go out and get some free courses, get this free information, and start your affiliate marketing business. This is John for johnmcneil.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.